What's up everyone? It's your boy Junior. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm back. Let me keep you guys updated. Past couple months, just been busy with work. Got my own place in Las Vegas. I haven't done a vlog for you guys in a cool minute. Today, I have to go out, buy all my furniture and all that stuff for my place. So why don't I take you guys with me? So this is gonna be a shop with us video. Let's go. Came across this showroom here and we love this setup. Like, I don't know what I want to do in my living room, but once I seen this, I was like, oh, this is perfect. I think I would want to put like black and white photos. Pretty nice. Has like some lights underneath, and this is the Riba frame. Only 14 bucks. So we're actually looking at the tables, but they don't have what I'm looking for. Kind of want like a black high table. So probably gonna have to go to another store, find that. We've seen these last time when we came, and these are so comfortable. So pretty much sit down. I just feel like it cups your butt, you know? Like, what do you think? You said they're also available in what color?
Light gray.
Oh, light gray?
And they're 109 each.
Let's go. I wanted these because I've seen this online to replace my old nightstand. So it's the same as the stand that I have in my living room, but it's a nice stand for my room. But it's tiny. Look how big it is compared to my hand. I don't know. Then again, I don't want like huge ones because we gotta carry it up the stairs. Alright guys, update. Yeah, I think we were taking too long, so we started going like through aisle and aisle and aisle. And then, yep, this is what we have so far. These are all like frames, some faux plants, some rugs, kitchen stuff, bathroom stuff. And this is only the first store. Fuck. We're gonna have to make multiple trips. Alright guys, bright ass sun. But yeah, look. This is $900 worth of shit. But I think we did pretty great. So I'm pretty excited to like start putting everything up. It's just gonna be a bitch taking it to my apartment, which is on the 3rd floor. So yeah, that should be fun. Right now we're gonna go back to my apartment. We're gonna take it up there. Yeah, stay tuned.